Good afternoon, and we're in the fig greenhouse on this beautiful July 21st. This is Fig and Fruit Nursery and Orchard, and what you're looking at here is big figs. This is the first time I have gotten this tree to ripen. It really likes to drop, but it is going to ripen some figs this year, so this gives me some hope. I believe this one is definitely ripe today. It's pretty soft up in here where my thumb is, so it's getting just a little bit of damage, so I'm going to go ahead and pick it. I don't know if all of these are that right. These here might hang another day, but we're going to pick this one for sure. Doesn't seem to split. It's starting to get some cracks on it, but let's pop this thing off here. Got just a little bit of sap, but not too much. You can see that's a large fig. This fig is Sapphire 4. Let's see what it weighs. Oh, gotta turn it on here. I'll bring it down here where we can see it. It's on grams, all looks good. Let's see what she weighs out. It looks like 118 grams. That's a big fig. All right, let's see what it looks like. Whoops. Oh my goodness. $118 grams. How about that? Ain't that a beautiful fig? And look how big it is. So, you know, when you're talking commercial figs, you kind of have some big figs because them things are what makes money. Oh, wow. That's extremely thick and juicy. It's got a real nice berry flavor to it. Honey berry. Let me have another bite of this. Oh my goodness. Well, that thing is certainly delicious. Sapphire 4. Let's look at some more big figs here that I've got ripening in the greenhouse. This one here, let's see if it's getting ripe. This is red shram. No, it's still got a few days to go. 2 or 3. These things have to hang 8-10 days. Red shram's starting to ripen. That's a big one. As you can see, it's as big as my hand. Now let's see. We got back over here on the other side of us. We have a super red hybrid. It's starting to ripen. See it right there? So these will be getting ripe here pretty soon. We'll see if we can find, let's check some more of these other big ones. I think might be a big one or two over here on this other tree. Here's another good sized fig. It's not quite ripe. Probably a day, 2, 3 at the most. This is yellow long neck. We've had a couple off of it already about a day or 2 ago. That was really good, but I didn't get a chance to video them. I had to get them picked. So that's about it for all the big figs that are getting ripe, but the big figs are starting to get ripened. That Sapphire 4 was something really special. We'll take one more last look at it. Sapphire 4.